Hi everyone, in this video we going to take in-depth look on Baseus PPNLD45UC GaN 2-in-1 power bank. Product parameter. Packing list. Charging. Operation description. The power button operation instructions. AC charging mode. When connected to AC, no load or load power, 7 watts, charge the built-in, the white light will light up to show the current power and start blinking, indicating that the mobile power is being charged. When the load power is greater than or equal to 9 watts, the load will be automatically charged. When the charging power is less than or equal to 7 watts, the load and the mobile power supply will be charged at the same time until it is fully charged. Supports PD 3.0 plus QC 3.0 dual quick charge input and output. Power bank mode. When the mobile power is at rest, press the button once to display the current power. After no load, the lamp will go out at 55, and the output will automatically turn off after 30s. Charging your mobile phones or other digital devices. Check and make sure the charging voltage of your digital products is consistent with the voltage output of product. Select and use the original charging cable of your digital products, connect one end of it with your digital product, and the other end with the output port of product. Product then automatically starts to charge your digital product, with the LED indicator lit all the time. Tips. Electronic information. Troubleshooting. Warning. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.